Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate, and today we are going to be reading The Flea Sneeze by Lynn Downey, illustrated by Karla Firehammer. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Ah, ah. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniff. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snout, achoo! It scared the rat who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow who muttered moo-moo. It outraged the owl who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog who screamed ew. It reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old, old farm, in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'd gotta sneeze. The end. I'll see you in my next video, friends. Bye.